my channel. Today's video is all about makeup, and yes, you have read by the title, it's a wedding series on my YouTube channel. So December ka pura mahina will be all about wedding. So the very first video I have started for wedding series is a makeup, and this is the look that I have created for this video. And if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. This is how my bare face looks, and to start off, first I'll use the moisturizer, and here I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer. I hope you can see it. Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, and this is one of the most good lotions for sensitive skin. My skin is very sensitive, so I use this Cetaphil moisturizer, taking a little bit on one side and the same again on other side. The more moisturizer you apply, the more juicy your skin will look. So make sure you apply more moisturizer on your face. Not too much, but yes, moisturizing is good for your skin. So gently massage it. And a little bit on your neck, because you should not forget your neck. So after applying the moisturizer, next thing that I'm going to use is the primer, and primers are very important. If you need that smooth finish on your face, then you should definitely use a pore minimizing primer if you have pores. So I am going to use this primer from Sugar. It's their pore minimizing primer. Again, taking a very little amount on one side, only this much, and the same on the other side. So I just apply this on my T-zone because that is the only place where I feel that I should apply primer. So massage it well. It gives such a smooth finish. और इसी को ना थोड़ा धीरे धीरे फेस पे पूरा ऐसा स्प्रेड कर देते, so that the layer is smooth. Forehead. Such a smooth finish to my skin. So we usually tend to forget our lips, but lips are very important in every makeup. We don't want chappy lips and cracks while applying our lipsticks. So for that, I'm using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And many of you were asking reviews for that, so I have barely used it. I mean, I use it every single day, but itna hi abhi tak finish hua hai. I hope you can see that. So it's good, it's moisturizing, very moisturizing. And for those who are looking for a very good moisturizing lip balm, can definitely go for this one. Daily basis pe bhi you can apply, and makeup ke liye to it's very good. So till the time we are doing our makeup, let it sit and moisturize our lips. So after all the prepping, now I'm gonna start with my makeup, and for foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Puff. So I'll take one pump, just one pump. I'll just apply it. Very little. Start from very little amount, because if you need you can add more definitely. But अगर ज़्यादा हो गया then वो बहुत cakey and बहुत अजीब सा लगता है. So make sure you are just using little amount in the start, and if you need it then only you can add more foundation to your face. And for blending I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. Sorry बहुत गंदा है, but it's okay. So हल्का सा dab करके we need to spread it out. So this is not a full coverage foundation, this is a medium to full coverage, so you can definitely build it up. So as you can see, it glides very smoothly when you apply primer. So this foundation doesn't get cakey unless and until you apply ज़्यादा सारा amount, क्योंकि ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन कोई भी लगाओगे तो वो केकी ही लगेगा. So make sure you're using very little amount, and don't forget your neck because it should look even. ऐसा face एकदम bright and neck एकदम dull ऐसा नहीं अच्छा लगता. So I can still see my dark spots. I'll take little bit more, थोड़ा सा एकदम, very little amount, and beauty blender को भी dab. बाकी कंसीलर से वी कैन कवर इट अप, बट फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा नहीं लगा सकते, इट लुक वेरी बैड अदरवाइज. नाउ आई फील दिस इज योर स्किन लुक्स सो इवन एंड केकी बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. दिस फाउंडेशन इज रियली नाइस. आई मीन डेली बेसिस के लिए इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ बजट फ्रेंडली फाउंडेशन इट्स रियली गुड. नायका पे सेल पे भी इट्स अवेलेबल फॉर 385, 400. डिफरेंट शेड्स का डिफरेंट प्राइस है. सो अंडर 400 definitely you'll get this foundation. So make sure you try this one if you want to. After applying foundation, it's time for concealer. And for concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm in the shade, I guess, Pure Beige. Yeah, Pure Beige. So I'm taking very, not too much. On my nose, थोड़ा सा, not too much. So again, using the same damn beauty blender and blending it out. So same dab करके ही blend करना. Don't swipe it off क्योंकि वो harsh line create हो जाता है and it will crease. So you dab. So you can see the difference. Yeah. Again, same dab. Don't swipe. एकदम ऐसे दबा के भी मत करना. वेरी लाइटली यू हैव टू डू योर मेकअप. एकदम ऐसे घिसोगे तो फिर वो अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा एंड वो रहेगा भी नहीं स्किन पे. सो एकदम लाइट हैंडेड. So I'm done with my base and I am loving it. It looks so natural and so glowy. See, my spots are not visible abhi. It's a good foundation. So I swear by Maybelline ka foundation and LA Girl ka concealer, and to just give a little highlight on my eyes, I'm using Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 medium. So just a little, थोड़ा सा. वैसे ये हाईलाइटिंग कलर नहीं है बट जस्ट ये थोड़ा पॉप, थोड़ा सा, वेरी लिटिल. एंड सेम cancels out the darkness as well. Very little. Maybelline के ये वाले कंसीलर में there is one shade 15 light, I guess. Light वाला shade है, I don't remember the number, I guess 15 ही है. That shade is for highlighting. Currently I don't have that shade. I'm just using my 25 medium just to give little pop. Not too much. So I'm loving the base. Looks so juicy and so glowy. I love it. मतलब मीडियम रेंज में if you're searching for a foundation and concealer, Maybelline, LA Girl, these are the best. And Maybelline का if you want a full coverage foundation, then there is a Super Stay. वो मुझे भी लेना है. I have to buy that. So Super Stay वाला is a full coverage foundation. बट डेली बेसिस के लिए इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ फाउंडेशन, डेली मतलब ऑब्वियसली रोज़ तो कोई नहीं लगाता, बट कहीं बाहर जाना है, जस्ट ऐसे ही किसी का कुछ फंक्शन है छोटा मोटा, तो दिस फिट मी फाउंडेशन वर्क्स रियली वेल. All the products that I am using in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you go and check it out if you want links for any products. So I'll give all the links, Nykaa links to you guys, so you can go and check that out. And now for baking, I'm using again Maybelline ka cake powder, and pop it out. Just have to tap 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 till the time it's setting. Let it sit for 15 to 20 seconds and then we'll wipe it off. Meanwhile, we'll powder our face using Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. And don't forget your forehead, don't forget your neck. हम लोग ना face पे ही concentrate करते हैं सिर्फ, and we forget our neck. So make sure you are using all the products, not all the products, but basic products on your neck too. Yeah. So now we'll just wipe off. So after doing the base, now it's time for contouring, and for contour I'm using Nykaa Contour Stick, and it is in the shade 07. So there's no shade name, there's just number, so I'm in the shade 07. Just take that out very little. Up it here. For contouring, I'm using this brush, थोड़ा सा angular brush. तो उसको just do this and smudge that out. Very little. हल्के हाथ से करना, पूरा ही हटा दोगे तो फिर कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है कॉन्टोर करने का. It's very little. See that it gives that dimension to your face. This is to hide your double chin and fat on your face. So it just gives a nice toning effect to your face. Contour, तुम लोग contour bronzer भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Contour bronzer नहीं, bronzer भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. So I don't have bronzer, अभी तो मेरे पास फिलहाल यही है. So I just using that. But bronzer is थोड़ा इससे easy. यो पाउडर फॉर्म में होता है ना, तो यू जस्ट हैव टू डू दिस थोड़ा थोड़ा. इसको थोड़ा से इट गिव्स दैट हार्श लाइंस इफ यू डोंट स्मज इट वेल. तो दैट्स इट. इसको अगेन डू दिस. So after using brush, I'm again going to use the beauty blender and थोड़ा सा टैप करूँगी, because if there are any harsh lines, brush का strokes, तो it will get smoothed out. तो just tap a little bit, ज़्यादा नहीं. This is how my face looks after contouring. Since I want a sharp contour on my face, I'm again using Maybelline ka powder. Just taking it on my beauty blender again, and I'll just do this. So it just cleans your face and it gives a sharp contour look. So I'll again make that sit for 20 seconds and then we'll wipe it off. Meanwhile, I'll apply blush on my face, and for that I'm using Sugar blush. It's in the shade Mauve Marble 03. So it's a very nice mauvey color. This is a very very pigmented blush, so make sure you take very little, just itna, and halka halka you blend it. Just smile thoda sa and take it thoda sa upar tak. I like to apply थोड़ा सा on my nose as well, तो वो ऐसे एकदम even लगता है and it looks very natural. I like it. And now we're gonna wipe off this contour powder. Wipe that. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline palette, the Nudes palette by Maybelline, and I'll take dark brown shade from this palette to do my eyebrows. This is also one way to do your eyebrows if you don't have an eyebrow pencil. I do own an eyebrow pencil, but I just wanted to show you guys how we can achieve that flawless eyebrows using our eyeshadow kit. So I'll just take the darkest color from this. एकदम darkest मतलब black भी मत लो, brown में dark brown kind of shade, and just fill in your eyebrows like this. तो जिनके पास eyebrow pencil या eyebrow powder ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you can definitely achieve flawless eyebrows from your eyeshadow palette. तो अलग से खर्चा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you own a brown color eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely use that to do your brows. One eye, and you can see. Clean that more, and you can see the difference. You can achieve that great eyebrow look from your eyeshadow palette. So make sure you don't waste your extra money buying an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow kit. These are all obviously if you own, you can definitely use that, but this is a trick where you can use your eyeshadow palette to do your eyebrows. So I'll quickly do the other eye and then I'll come back. And now we're gonna do our eyeshadow, and since this is a wedding guest makeup look, I'm doing a very subtle eye with a little of gold shimmer to it. So for eyeshadow here, I'm gonna use both the palettes from Maybelline. It's the Nude and the Rock Nudes palette. So the Nudes palette have all the golden and basic base shades, not too much of glitter to it, but the Rock Nudes palette have a lot of glitter shades, I mean. So it has this black glitter, it has blue, it has gold, it has pink glitter, it has grey, and there are too many glitter shades in it. So for applying glitter, we're going to use this palette, but for the base of eyeshadow, I'm going to start off with the Nudes palette. For my base, I'm going to use this peachy shade. It's not a peachy, it's a creamy, but in a little glitter form. So I'm going to start off with that and see how it looks. I haven't used this shade till now. So it's very light, तो I don't think so कैमरे पे दिखेगा. I guess दिख रहा है. That all over my lid. कोई भी चीज़ तुम यूज़ करो, उसको ओवर मत लगाओ, क्योंकि वो फिर blend करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. So you should always use very little amount, and if you need, then you can obviously put more, but you just start, I guess, थोड़ा सा ही काफ़ी है. So I'm planning to do a little brown smoky kind of eye, so goldenish. It looks very nice. Wedding के time पे gold and brown are the shades that pop really well. थोड़ा और dark. So make sure, अभी देखो मैंने first light shade लगाया, उसके बाद I applied थोड़ा सा dark shade, and now I'm gonna use थोड़ा उससे dark to give that extra pop to your eyes. देखा, तो वो ऐसा एकदम से अगर मैं डार्क लगाती तो ये इफेक्ट नहीं आता, जस्ट वो डार्क दिख जाता है एक, बट लाइट शेड से डार्क शेड जाएंगे तो इट विल गिव अ वेरी नाइस स्मूथ इफेक्ट. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. अभी थोड़ा सा वेरी लिटिल ब्लैक का पॉप देने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस डार्कर शेड. एकदम थोड़ा, इट्स वेरी पिगमेंटेड, थोड़ा सा जस्ट गिव दैट पॉप. थोड़ा लगाना, ज़्यादा नहीं. So I'm putting it on my crease. Huh? Like that. Very little. taking again BB, and with the blending brush I'll just blend that out. For glitter I have Swiss Beauty का this pop, and पहले हम लोग ये वाला ट्राई करेंगे. अगर नहीं पॉप किया then we'll use this, but I'll just try this one first. So I'm taking this golden shade, golden का और greenish थोड़ा सा. ग्लिटर शेड्स को कभी भी हाथ से लगाएंगे ना तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है. And I don't think so. ठीक है. I'll try and use this थोड़ा lighter shade. See how it looks. But we'll use a pop, and here I'm using Swiss Beauty in the shade Champagne, and I'll just put it on the inner part. Look at that. Oh, see. So now after applying this, अब ये जैसा harsh line दिख रहा है ना, we'll smudge that out. For that I'm using the darker amount, that is black. I'll just smoothen it out, and this is how my eyes look. ज़्यादा over भी नहीं, and very wedding appropriate, guest appropriate. For my lower lash line, I am taking the darker brown shade from the same palette, and I just put it on my lower lash line. That's it. A little bit of black. That's it. It looks nice, and that's it. I'll quickly do the other eye and then I'll be back. So now I've added some falsies, and for kajal I'm using K Beauty kajal, and I'll put that on my lower lash line. So after applying the falsies, my eyeshadow, my kajal is done, and now the final step is highlighting, and for that I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and I'll just take that on my brush. It gives such a glow to your face. It doesn't look chunky at all, and it's such a great highlighter. This is my current favorite. Brow bone. Connect your brow bone and your highlighter, cheek highlighter, so that it looks equal. I just love this highlighter, and for anyone, it is a budget friendly highlighter. It costs somewhere around 400 to 500 rupees, and in that budget this is a great highlighter, so must buy. You also have a K Beauty one, but that is a little bit expensive. It comes somewhere around 700 rupees, but this is just for 400 450 on sale. You can also get it at 300 350, so great and must buy. For my lipstick, I have recently bought this from Bella Voste, and this is in the shade Rose Plum 16, and this is a pink nude kind of a shade. So I'm gonna use this shade today. Let's see how it looks. So this is a very basic makeup. I'm not a professional makeup artist, and whatever I know I do that, and I think this is really a very basic makeup that anyone can achieve for wedding functions, and it is a wedding guest makeup look, so it's not too heavy and not too basic as well. You look glam, and here are the beauty shots. video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below how you like this look, and I'll see you next time. Bye.